Hey, thanks for joining me on Use What You Got. Today I'm going to show you how my wife and I made this leaning welcome sign. It was super simple, really cheap, so let's get into the video. Alright, so we're inside now with the wood. We're about to put the letters on it, and it's looking really good. Everything's done except for the lettering, and of course leaning against the wall. So Martina's cutting the lettering out right now, and we're gonna stick it on there and see what it looks like outside. Thanks for sticking around. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm going to show some nice B-roll shots now, but if you really like the video, please consider subscribing and liking, and I